Hey, if you need some serious power in your workstation, we're talking serious graphics power. If you're doing computer-aided design or anything that requires some awesome GPU and CPU horsepower, this HP workstation, the Z400, is going to be an absolutely perfect fit for you. This thing has the latest in processors. It's got an Intel Xeon W3550 3 gigahertz processor on board, 8 gigs of DDR3 RAM. It's got a 160 gigabyte hard drive, but that's a 10,000 RPM hard drive inside of this case, and an NVIDIA Quadro FX 3800 graphics card. And that graphics card will actually drive 4 3D displays or up to 6 2D displays. So if you happen to be a day trader or somebody that's constantly using a lot of monitors, right out of the box, this PC is going to be able to support up to 6 monitors without any trouble at all. Right up front, you're going to find a FireWire port, as well as your microphone and headphone ports, and a pair of USB ports, all really easily accessible here. And then you also have your optical drive right up here. It is a LightScribe DVD RW drive up here, so you can burn labels directly on to those discs. The Z400 also has a totally toolless case, so it's easy to get inside, and also an all-aluminum exterior as well. So it's a really good-looking desktop tower. And inside, you've got tons of room for expansion. There's your 10,000 RPM 160 gigabyte hard drive located right there, with enough room for another drive right above it, as well as 3 5.25-inch bays located up here as well. Now, right down here is where you're going to find that graphics card. This is a serious workstation graphics card, the NVIDIA Quadro FX 3800, and that's going to be able to give you the power to drive those 4 3D or 6 2D displays. Plenty of available SATA ports and PCI slots are in here as well, and you're also going to find an extra Ethernet card located right here, as well as the integrated Ethernet card that's on the motherboard. Now, right here in the back, you do have that Quadro graphics card located right here, and it does have DVI as well as DisplayPort, and it does include an adapter as well, so you can convert one of those DisplayPort ports to DVI without any trouble. Right up here is where you're going to find a whole bunch of USB ports. You got 6 USB ports back here, as well as your audio I/O, another Ethernet port, and some legacy PS2 ports are located on the rear as well. It's definitely an ultimate desktop workstation. Great graphics, absolutely screaming Xeon processor under the hood, tons of RAM, 8 gigs of DDR3 RAM. You got to check this out. If you're looking for a high-end graphics workhouse, this is probably going to be it for you. It's the HP Z400 workstation. To get more information on the HP Z400 workstation, go to tigerdirect.com and search for H24-88078.